Hello, and welcome to this quick yoga flow designed to help you reconnect with nature and find balance. Start in a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take a big breath in, big breath out. Now, transition into child's pose by bringing your knees wide, sitting back on your heels, and reaching your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the ground and breathe deeply for 3 breaths. From child's pose, come onto your hands and knees. Walk your hands forward and lower your chest to the ground, keeping your hips above your knees. Hold for 3 breaths, feeling a gentle stretch in your shoulders and chest. Come on up and come to a squat at the top of your mat with your feet wider than your hips. Toes are turned slightly outward. Bring your hands together at your heart and use your elbows to gently press your knees outward. Hold for 3 breaths, feeling the sensation in your hips and inner thighs. From garland pose, straighten your legs and fold forward from your hips. Take 3 deep breaths in and out of your nose, letting go of any tension in your neck and your shoulders. Let gravity pull your torso closer to the ground. If it feels good, you can sway side to side or simply find some stillness. Bend your knees, inhale, and roll up to a standing position, coming into mountain pose. Loop your shoulders up and back. Bring your arms over your head with strong, active fingers. Take a deep breath, grounding yourself in this strong foundation. Exhale and fold forward. Release the back of your legs. Let your neck and shoulders go. Inhale, lift halfway up, placing your hands on your shins or your thighs. Keep a long, straight spine. Your gaze is slightly in front of you. Inhale through your nose. Exhale and release, plant your palms, and step back into a plank position. Hold here, breathing deeply in and out of your nose. Keep your hips lifted, and keep the back of your neck long. Slowly lower halfway down, squeezing your elbows into your ribs. Flip your toes. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold for 3 breaths, finding length in your spine and pressing your heels toward the ground. Inhale and step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a high lunge. And breathe here. Exhale, open up into Warrior 2. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Inhale. Exhale and extend into extended side angle. Reach to the sky. Exhale, straighten your front leg for reverse triangle. Reach up and over. Exhale, windmill your hands down, stepping back into downward facing dog. We'll repeat this sequence on the left side. Inhale and step your left foot forward between your hands, coming into a high lunge. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Exhale, open up into Warrior Two. Inhale, extended side angle. On your next breath, straighten your front leg for reverse triangle and reach your front arm up and over. Exhale, windmill your arms down and step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, come forward into a high plank. Slowly lower down, squeezing your elbows to your ribs. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come onto your hands and knees and place your hands on your lower back or heels as you gently arch your back into camel pose. Breathe deeply in and out of your nose. Hold for 3 breaths, opening your chest and heart. Slowly come back up, sit down on your heels, close your eyes, and return to your breath. Now transition into child's pose by bringing your knees wide, sitting back on your heels, and reaching your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the ground and breathe deeply. Now come onto your seat and extend your legs in front of you for seated forward fold. Gently bend your knees. Inhale your hands over your head and then reach forward, bringing your hands to rest on your feet, your ankles or thighs. Gently round your upper back, relax your neck and shoulders. Inhale, come back up. Keep the left leg extended in front of you and cross the right foot over the left thigh. Inhale and bring your right arm behind you as your left elbow rests on the outside of your right knee for a gentle twist. Inhale and grow taller. Exhale and twist. Gently unwind and we'll switch to the other side. Extend the right leg out in front of you, cross the left foot over your thigh, and then inhale your arm up and over behind you as the right arm comes to rest on the outside of the left knee. Inhale and grow a little taller. Exhale and twist. And gently unwind and bring the soles of your feet together in bound angle pose. Sit up nice and tall and feel the sensation in your inner thighs as you draw your heels closer to your inner legs. If it feels comfortable, you can walk your arms forward for a gentle forward fold. Hold for 3 breaths. Inhale, come back up, and gently bring your knees together. Transition onto all fours, and then come into downward facing dog. Take a breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale your right leg high and sweep it forward between your hands for pigeon pose. Extend your left leg behind you, lower your hips to the ground, and walk your hands forward. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the sensation in your hips and your glutes. Inhale, gently come up onto your palms, curl your toes behind you, and step back into downward facing dog. We'll switch sides. Inhale the left leg high and bring it forward between your hands. Extend the leg behind you, lower your hips to the ground, and gently walk your hands forward. Hold for a few breaths and feel the sensation in your hips and your glutes. Do your best to let go of any tension in that area. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay up to date on my latest content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please leave a comment below. And if you have any suggestions for future topics or any questions, feel free to let me know. You can also connect with me on my social media platforms, and you'll find the links in the video description. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.